Hi friends, I am Sajatan and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you what are the features which got included in the Realme X device after the recent update. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel guys, SciTech Guru, and do also check the links in the description for the playlist of all the smartphones which I reviewed in my channel, as you can see here. So a lot of videos which I did comparison videos as well regarding the Aura 9X and the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So now let me show you the settings and what model I'm using right now. So the variant which I'm using, the Realme X, is of Chinese variant. So the most of the Indian variants may not get the update very soon. So all the Chinese versions will be getting the update. So as you can see here, 6GB and 64GB variant. So that's why 6GB and 64GB is only available in the Chinese market. So I ordered from the AliExpress. So I got a lot of comments below mentioning that the 6GB and 64GB is not available in India. So this is the reason. And here you can see the software version is up to date in the Realme X device. So let me click on the features and what are the things which got included in the Realme X. You will get to know, as you can see here. So first is a Android security patch, so which is common in every update. And next is a redesigned date and weather widget, optimized lock screen clock widget. So as you can see, optimized Brino feed interface, updated charging animation. So as you can see here guys, this is animation, charging animation right now it is. So this is a kind of improvement, and till here there is not much difference in terms of the features. So next in the settings, as you can see here, so added a switch of swipe down on the home screen for the global search or the notification center, so which is a very advantage guys. For example, whenever you try to swipe it down, so you'll get the notification directly. So before it used to be directly to the search bar. So let me show you. So this is a kind of search you will get. So now you got the option to disable that one and enable the swipe down to the notification, so which is very convenient to use. So this is a good feature which got added here. And don't forget to check the links in the description guys for the playlist of the videos of Realme X device. So let me continue with the other features. So added the Realme laboratory, so which the Realme developers will be testing all different kind of features in the Realme laboratory. So right now they added the dark mode in the Realme lab, as you can see here. So recently I did a video on that. If you want to know more about the dark mode, do check the video. So you'll get to know more about the dark mode in the Realme X device. So what are the applications supported and how is the dark mode functionality in this phone. So let me continue with the other features what got included. So in the notification center, so added fast switch toggles between the SIM in the notification, removed reminder after the hotspot enabled. So removed the prompt while rooted, redesigned notification style. So the notification style got redesigned, as you can see here. So this is how it looks, circular everything. So before it used to be square, boxed everything, but now everything is circular. And improved game touch experience, and fixed feedback, ultra HD photos and issues, fixed brightness adjustment, not smooth in some sense. So these are the main features which got included in the Realme X device. So the biggest change is the addition of the dark mode and swipe down on the notification tray. So next, what are the features which are missing in the Realme X device is that where the Realme should concentrate is screen off or always on display. So since the Realme X has a AMOLED panel where even if you're using the always on display, it doesn't drain much battery. But the problem is that if you're using the screen off lock, you won't get any notifications icons on the lock screen. So it's better to add the Realme always on display feature which is present in the Samsung devices, so where you can clearly see the notification of applications as well. So even in the Redmi K20 Pro, where you can see the notifications of all the apps even if you're using the always on display. So this is a feature which Realme should be added in the upcoming updates. So next is that still the HDR brightness is not fixed in the Realme X device. So as you can see here guys, so whenever you open the 4K HDR videos, still there is a brightness issue. So let me try to decrease the brightness right now. So as you can see here, so this happens only if you are playing the HDR videos in the YouTube. So still this need to be fixed. I'm not sure this is a software or the hardware issue. So whenever you are using the low brightness, everything goes like this, as you can see here. So this happens only in the Realme X device. I checked in all my devices like OnePlus 7 Pro, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus and Redmi K20 Pro. So there is no problem in other phones. Only this is a problem which I found in the Realme X device, and a lot of US are also worried about this problem. So these are the both things which need to be improved in the upcoming updates in the Realme X device. So do comment below guys, what are the features you are interested, and are you liking the dark mode in the Realme X device or not? And do subscribe to my channel guys, SciTech Guru, and stay tuned for more videos and interesting videos. See you in the next video. Bye.